Today, I'm going to teach you how to change chart colors from Google Forms in Google Sheets. This is a really handy way to customize your data visualizations and make them match your branding or just look more visually appealing. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once you're there, sign in with your Google account credentials if you haven't already. This will bring you to your Google Forms dashboard where you can access all your existing forms. In your Google Forms dashboard, look for the section labeled Recent Forms. Here you'll see a list of all the forms you've recently worked on. Find and click on the specific form where you want to change the chart colors. This will open up that form so you can access its responses and data. Once your form is open, navigate to the top toolbar and click on Responses. This tab is crucial because it's where all the data collected from your form submissions lives. Clicking here will show you a summary of responses, but we need to take it a step further. Now, look for the option that says View in Sheets and click on it. This action will open a Google Sheets document containing all your form responses in a spreadsheet format. This is where we'll actually create and customize the chart, so give it a moment to load if needed with your Google Sheets document. Now direct your attention to the top toolbar, click on Insert, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Chart. This will generate a chart based on your form data. Google Sheets usually creates a default chart type, but you can always modify this later if needed. Next, click directly on the chart you just created. This selection is important because it activates the chart editor panel, which gives you access to all the customization options. You should see a panel appear on the right side of your screen. In this right panel, look for and click on the Customize tab. This tab is your gateway to personalizing every aspect of your chart's appearance, from colors to fonts to grid lines and beyond. Within the Customize tab, scroll down until you find the section labeled Color. Click on the drop-down menu next to it. Here you'll see a variety of color palettes and options. Select your preferred color scheme from the available choices. You can choose from preset color combinations or customize individual colors to match your specific needs. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the chart colors from your Google Forms data in Google Sheets. Your chart should now reflect your chosen color scheme, making your data presentation more polished and professional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.